Alright, so if you've got a bike you absolutely love and you don't want to replace it with a full e-bike, but you still want that electric boost to save some energy, this is where something like the Kamingo e-bike converter comes in. This thing claims to be the world's smallest and most powerful e-bike converter, and honestly just looking at the core components, it really does live up to that compact claim. The design looks sturdy, balanced, and very thoughtfully engineered. It's currently on Kickstarter, and after spending time going through how it works and how it rides, I can see why it's getting attention. Before we go any further, if you enjoy hands-on tech reviews like this and you want more content like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel out, and it lets me know you want to see more cool tech like this. Now let's talk about what you actually get in the box. The packaging itself is surprisingly nice, with this clean, almost Apple-like pull tab that makes opening it super easy. Inside, everything is well packed and protected. You've got the motor unit, the motor mount, the battery pack, the handlebar controller, and a pedal sensor. You also get the charger, the cable, and the necessary screws. This unit we're looking at is still a working prototype, so some parts may not look completely final, but overall, everything feels solid and well thought out. Installation is honestly one of the highlights here. You mount the motor mount first, then slide in the motor unit using this clever locking mechanism. You lift the locks, slide the motor in, push the locks back, and that's it. The battery slides in easily as well. Then you attach the pedal sensor, mount the controller on the handlebar, and connect the battery to the motor using the cable. One side of that cable is magnetic, and it snaps on really easily while still feeling very secure. The whole setup takes about 3 minutes, which is impressive. A big advantage here is that the motor unit and battery are separated, which puts less stress on the mount and reduces the chance of anything coming loose or falling off. Once everything is mounted, reinstalling the kit takes about 10 seconds, which is great for daily use. While charging the battery, it was able to draw 134 watts of power, which means it charges pretty fast. That's something commuters are definitely going to appreciate. Performance-wise, the motor is a PMSM motor, known for high efficiency, strong torque, and a great power-to-size ratio. It claims up to 750 watts of maximum output, but to stay within local regulations, top speed is limited to 20 miles per hour in the US and 25 kilometers per hour in regions like the EU, UK, and Australia. You get 3 main modes. Standby mode wins the roller up so it doesn't interfere with your ride at all, and you can even switch into it while riding. Considering the motor unit weighs just 920 grams, it stays very secure and barely noticeable. Assist mode is probably what most people will use. You pedal, and the motor supports you based on how hard you pedal, using feedback from the pedal sensor. It feels smooth and intuitive, especially when climbing slopes, where the power kicks in quickly. Then there's cruise mode, which fully drives the bike using the motor, controlled by a throttle. It's very cool, though availability may depend on local regulations. The battery is a 266 watt-hour pack using 21,700 lithium-ion cells. It claims up to 55 miles or 90 kilometers in assist mode, which for me would easily cover a full week of commuting. The battery weighs about 1.4 kilograms, fits neatly in a bottle cage area, and can also be carried in a backpack. There's even a port to charge your phone or other devices. Charging takes around 3 hours, and the whole kit is mostly rated IP66 for water resistance, so rain isn't a concern. Overall, the riding experience is smooth and responsive, especially in city environments with lots of stops and speed changes. It works with many types of bikes, including road and mountain bikes, and the company is working on different motor options for different setups. The Kamingo converter is compact, powerful, easy to install, and very practical. If you're a daily commuter or just want to electrify your favorite bike, this has a lot of potential. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.